Hi students, in previous class we completed exercise 11.1. Now start exercise 11.2. In exercise 11.2, all substitutions, values we want to substitute and evaluate the questions. Values means in previous class we learned what are the values of sine, cos and tan for particular angles. Angles are 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. In previous class already we learned these values. First sine values. Sine 0 starts by 0. Next 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So already in previous class I told these values and how to remember. What is the simple way also explained. Just by heart sine values and write cos values. So what is the process I told how to write cos values? Just simply write from back onwards. So the first value is 1 and the next value root 3 by 2 and next value 1 by root 2, next value 1 by 2 and finally 0. How can you write tan values? Tan is nothing but a ratio of sine and cos. Sine theta by cos theta. Sine by cos. So here 0 by 1 is 0. Next here 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. 1 by root 3. And here root 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Both get cancelled and the answer is 1. Here also again denominators get cancelled. Numerator is root 3. Here 1 by 0. Infinity. Here you no need to learn these all values. Just learn the process how to write the remaining values. Only sine values learn. Clear? So in this exercise we are going to substitute these values. Exercise completely they give some values. Sine 30 plus cos 60 like that they give. We want to substitute these values. First Roman, evaluate the following. First one is sine 45 plus cos 45. Sine 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. And like this sums they given means just you write a side values. Otherwise you can substitute mistakes. Sine values 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. And the angles are 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Now substitute the values. Sine 45. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2 plus cos values you want. Simply write cos values. Cos reverse 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Now cos 45, 1 by root 2. Here clearly 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Both are like fractions. Denominator is root 2. Just add numerators 1 plus 1, 2 by root 2. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 by root 2. Root 2 get cancelled, which is root 2. Next second one, cos 45 by secant 30 plus cosecant 60. So this is the question. So here also again cos 45 you want. Check out cos 45. What is the value of cos 45? Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 by secant 30. Already we learned secant is reciprocal of cos. So secant 30, that means what is the value of cos 30? Check out cos 30. Root 3 by 2. Secant means reciprocal. Reciprocal. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal. 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 60. Cosecant means it is a reciprocal of sine. What is the value of sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. This reciprocal 2 by root 3, which is equal to 1 by root 2 divided by, here also these both are like fractions. Denominator is root 3. Numerators 2 plus 2, which is 1 by root 2 by 4 by root 3, which is 1 by root 2, reciprocal root 3 by 4. Multiply numerators, root 3 into 1, root 3 by 4 root 2. Next, third question. Sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus secant 30 degrees. Again, same process, substitute the values. Sin 30, check from the table. What is sin 30 value? 1 by 2 plus tan 45. Tan 45 means sin by cos. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Both get cancelled and tan 45 is 1. Otherwise, you copy tan values also here. Tan 0 by 1. 0. 1 by root 3. 1. Root 3. Infinity. So, tan 45 is 1 minus cosecant 60. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine. First check out sine 60 degrees. Root 3 by 2. Reciprocal, reverse. 2 by root 3. By cot 45. Cot is reciprocal of tan. What is the tan 45 value? 1. So, 1 reciprocal. Again 1 plus cos 60. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2 minus secant 30. Secant 30 means secant is the reciprocal of cos. Check out cos 30 value, root 3 by 2. So secant 30 means reciprocal, 2 by root 3. So here clearly 1 plus half, 1 and half. 1 and half means 3 by 2. Otherwise here it is nothing but a mixed fraction. Multiply 2 ones to plus 1. 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3 by same 1 and half, 2 ones 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. Both numerator and denominator are same values. Some more simplification. 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3 by 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. So cross multiplication, 3 into root 3, 3 root 3 minus 2 2s 4 by 2 root 3 divided by denominator. Same again cross multiplication, 3 into root 3, 3 root 3 minus 2 2s 4 by 2 root 3, which is equal to 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3 into denominator reciprocal, 2 root 3 by 3 root 3 minus 4. 2 root 3, 2 root 3 get cancelled. 3 root 3 minus 4, 3 root 3 minus 4 get cancelled, which is equal to 1. Next to fourth problem. 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. This Roman full only substitutions. Once again 2. What is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. Tan square 45, that means 1 square plus what is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Here cos square 30 is there. So cos square whole square minus sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Sin square 60. So whole square, which is equal to 2. 1 square is 1. 2 ones 2 plus here numerator square and denominator also square. Root 3 square is 3 by denominator 2 square 4 minus again root 3 square. Root 2 square get cancelled 3 by denominator 2 square is 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 get cancelled, which is equal to 2. Next fifth one. Secant square 60 degrees minus tan square 60 degrees by sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. Again substitute the values. Secant 60. Secant is a reciprocal of cos. What is cos 60 degrees? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Secant means reciprocal. 1 by 2 reciprocal. 2 by 1. 2 by 1 whole square. 2 by 1 means it is 2. 2 square minus tan square 60. Tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 whole square by sin square 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square plus cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 square. Now simplify. 2 square 4 minus root 3 square. Root 2 square get cancelled. 3 by 1 by 2 whole square. Numerator 1 square is 1 by denominator 2 square is 4. Plus here root 3 square. Root 2 square get cancelled. 3 by denominator 4. So which is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1 by, in denominator 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Both are like fractions. So just add numerators 1 plus 3 by 4 which is 1 by 4 by 4. 4 get cancelled which is equal to 1. So first Roman completed. In first Roman all we substituted only values. For that simply you can copy side sign values and then copy cos and tan. By using that values simply we can solve this one. In second Roman, choose the right option and justify your choice. Here they gave question and options also they given. First one, in second Roman, first one, 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. For this they gave options. First option is sin 60. Second option is cos 60. And third option is tan 30. Fourth option is sin 30. First evaluate the value. 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. So tan values already noted. 2 into tan 30 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan 45 is 1. 1 square is 1 which is equal to 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 2. 2 get cancelled which is 1 by root 3. Here 1 by root 3 check out sin 60 value. What is the value of sin 60? Root 3 by 2. What is the value of cos 60? 1 by 2. What is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3. What is the value of sin 30? 1 by 2. Now which option is correct? We got 1 by root 3. Here instead of 1 by root 3 they gave tan 30. For this answer option C. Second one, 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. So which is, here what are the options they gave? First option tan 90. Second option 1. Third option sin 45 degrees. Fourth option 0. Substitute the values. Tan 45 is 1. 1 minus tan square 45 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees is equal to 1 minus tan 45 is 1. Tan square 45. 1 square is 1 by 1 plus 1. 0 by 2 which is equal to 0. Direct option D. Next third one. 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. Options are cos 60 degrees, sin 60 degrees, tan 60 degrees and sin 30 degrees. Here only tan values. Tan 30, that is also only tan 30. We know tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Substitute the value. 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees is equal to 2 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3 by 1 minus tan 30 1 by root 3 whole square. Whole square. Next simplify. 2 into 1 by root 3. 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 square is 1 by root 3 square is 3. Root 2 square get cancelled. So which is equal to, again this is nothing but a mixed fraction. 3 ones 3 minus 1. Numerator is 2 by root 3 by 3 minus 1 by 3. which is 2 by root 3 into here 2 by 3, 3 by 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 by 3. It is in a denominator reciprocal, 3 by 2, 2 get cancelled. Next 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 by root 3, root 3 get cancelled. Answer is root 3. Here directly they not give root 3. Check out which option is suitable. Cos 60. What is the value of cos 60? 1 by 2. Sin 60. Root 3 by 2. Tan 60. Root 3. Sin 30. 1 by 2. So which option is correct? Option C. Okay, next. Third question. What is third question? Evaluate sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. What is the value of sin 60 plus 30? What can you conclude? Here, what is the question they gave? Sin 60. Again, don't get confusion. So it is better to write values. Immediately write values, sin values. Angles are 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Sin 0 will start by 0. 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Next cos values. Reverse. 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Here we want only sin and cos. Enough. Tan values, no need. Here we want sin and cos values. Tan values, no need. Now substitute the values. Sin 60. What is the value of sin 60? Root 3 by 2 into what is cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 1 by 2 cos 60 1 by 2. Multiply numerator into numerator. Root a into root a. Root 3 into root 3 3 by 2 2's 4 plus 1 1's 1 by 2 2's 4. Here like fractions. If denominators are same, they are called like fractions. Denominator is 4. Add the numerators. 3 plus 1. 4 by 4. 4 get cancelled. 1. Here one more condition they gave. What is that? Find sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. So which is equal to sin 60 plus 30, 90 degrees. Sin 90. What is the value of sin 90? Is 1. Again here they asked what can you conclude? Here what we observed, suppose take 60 as A and 30 as B. Sin A plus B. 60 plus 30 we got answer 1. Here also after substituting we got the answer 1. Instead of 60 take A. Instead of 30 take B. See here this is A and this is B and this is B and this is A. By observing these two we can conclude sin of A plus B is equal to, this can be written as sin A cos B, sin A cos B plus sin B cos A or cos A sin B. Sin B and cos A. It is nothing but formula. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus sin B cos A. So what you can conclude they asked. Finally we can conclude. We can conclude sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus sin B cos A, because sin A plus B 60 plus 30 we got 1 and here after substituting we got answer also 1. Therefore both are equal. That is sin 60 plus 30 is equal to sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. Clear? Next. Fourth question. Is it right to say cos 60 plus 30 equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30? Here they gave cos 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30. They are asking, is it right to say cos of this is equal to this one? Let's prove. Cos 60 plus 30, 90 degrees. Cos 90 is equal to, here substitute the values. Cos 60. What is the value of cos 60? 1 by 2 into cos 30. cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 root 3 by 2 into sin 30 1 by 2. Cos 90 value is 0 is equal to, here multiply both numerator and denominator, root 3 into 1 root 3 by 2 2's 4 minus root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 get cancelled. Here 0 is equal to 0. LHS is equal to RHS. What they asked? Is it true? So cos 60 plus 30 equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30? Yes. Cos of 60 plus 30 is equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30. This is true. Here formula is C. Cos of, take 60 as A and 30 as B. Cos A plus B is equal to, instead of 60 we can write A, instead of 30 B minus sin A sin B. This is one more formula. Before we learned sin A plus B. Now cos A plus B. Cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Next, fifth question. In right angle triangle PQR, right angle is at Q and PQ is equal to 6 centimeters. Angle RPQ is equal to 60 degrees. Determine the lengths of QR and PR. Observe the question clearly. First, right angle triangle PQR they gave. Fifth one. Right angle triangle PQR. Right angle at Q. So P, Q and R. Next, PQ is equal to 6 centimeters. PQ is 6 centimeters. And angle RPQ is equal to 60. Angle RPQ is equal to 60 degrees. So like this, 3 letters give means we want to check out the middle one. Middle P. At P angle is 60 degrees. Now naming the sides. Right angle opposite side is hypotenuse and the angle they gave at P. So the side which is opposite to angle is opposite side and this is adjacent side. Next, what we want to find out? Find out QR and PR. These values we want to find out. Here observe carefully. QR means opposite side. For finding opposite side, here only we know one angle and adjacent. Then which ratio we want to take? Which trigonometric ratio we want to take to find out opposite by using adjacent? By using adjacent and opposite, which ratio you want to take? It is clearly tan. Tan theta is equal to, what is the formula of tan theta? Opposite by adjacent. Here tan theta, what is the value? Tan 60 is equal to, what is opposite side? We don't know. QR by, what is adjacent side? 6. Why you choose a tan here? Here we know only angle and adjacent. First we want to find out opposite. So the relation between opposite and adjacent is nothing but tan, ratio of tan. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So tan 60, what is the value of tan 60? Already here sin and cos we wrote. Immediately note down tan also. Tan 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, infinity. What is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to QR by 6. So transpose 6 to LHS. Then QR is equal to 6 root 3. Now we found QR 6 root 3. Next, what we want to find out? PR. PR means hypotenuse. Now we know adjacent, opposite and angle. Hypotenuse we want to find out. It is simply take a sine angle. Sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Here sine theta value is 60 degrees. What is opposite side? 6 root 3 by hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? PR. What is the value of sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 is equal to 6 root 3 by PR. Cross multiplication. Root 3 PR is equal to 6 root 3 into 2, which is 6 2s 12 root 3. Root 3 PR is equal to, now PR equal to send root 3, transpose root 3 to RHS side. Here it is multiplying. If you send to RHS side, it will become dividend. Root 3 get cancelled, which is equal to 12 units. PR is 12. Next, sixth question. In triangle XYZ, right angle is at Y, YZ is X and XZ is 2X. Then determine angle YXZ and angle YZX. Here they gave triangle XYZ. Right angle at Y. X, Y, Z. Next, which sides they gave YZ? YZ is X and then XZ is 2X. And the angles, you have to find out the angle YXZ and angle YZX. Here only two sides they give. Again we want to take a Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square, or side square is equal to hypotenuse square minus side square. By Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square xz square is equal to side square plus side square, xy square plus yz square. Substitute the values. Xz is 2x square is equal to xy, we don't know, plus yz x square. 4x square is equal to xy square plus x square. So transpose x square from RHS to LHS. 4x square plus becomes minus, which is equal to xy square. 3x square is equal to xy square. That implies xy is equal to root of 3x square, which is equal to root 3 into x. X square root get cancelled, x. Now we found here root 3x. Now which angle we want to find out? Angle at x. So we want to find out this angle. Here angle mentioned means the side which is opposite to the angle is taken as opposite, and this is hypotenuse and this is adjacent. So first angle YXZ. Here angle I taken, that I am taking as tan x is equal to tan x. What is the tan x formula? Opposite side by adjacent side. Here tan x we don't know. Take that only. Tan x is equal to opposite side x by adjacent root 3x. X get cancelled. 1 by root 3. Tan x is equal to 1 by root 3. Now check in tan ratios. Instead of 1 by root 3, we can substitute tan 30. Since 1 by root 3 means it is nothing but tan 30. Now x is equal to 30 degrees. Coming to next, at z. Now where we want to take angle? At z. If you take an angle here, then xy becomes opposite side. And this is adjacent side. Again take a tan. Tan z is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan z is equal to, what is opposite side? Root 3x by adjacent side x. Now x get cancelled, which is equal to root 3. Tan z is equal to, in tan ratios, check out root 3. It's nothing but tan 60. Instead of root 3, we written tan 60. Now tan get cancelled. Angle z is equal to 60 degrees. And the last one, seventh one. Is it right to say sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B? Justify your answer. So the statement what they gave, sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. We want to justify either this statement is correct or not. Let take some values of A and B. Here while choosing A, B values, by adding again A and plus B, we want to get some particular angles. What are the particular angles? 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. If you take one of the angle is 0 and other angle is 30, 0 plus 30 will come. Suppose if one angle is taken 30 and other angle is 45, Then 30 plus 45, 75 will come. Is there any value for 75? No. So while choosing A and B, again we want to check either sum will come to in this particular angles or not. So 30, 45, not possible. 30, 60, yeah, 30 plus 60, 90 will come. So let us A is equal to 60 degrees, B is equal to 30 degrees. Here substitute sin instead of A 60, instead of B 30 is equal to sin instead of A 60 plus instead of B 30. So already sin values noted. Here 60 plus 30, 90. Sin 90 is equal to sin 60 degrees plus sin 30 degrees. Again to get perfection, note down the values. Sin values. Sin 0, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Now substitute sin 90, 1, sin 60, root 3 by 2 plus sin 30, 1 by 2. Here both are like fractions. By checking denominator, these two are like fractions. Add the numerators and divided by 2. Both are equal? No. So is it right to say sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B? No. No. Sin A plus B is not equal to sin A plus sin B. In this exercise, we learned two formulas, new formulas. What are the two formulas? Before sum, in before sum we learned sin A plus B. Sin A plus B formula is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is one formula. And one more is cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. In introduction class we learned all basics, and middle of the exercise we learned these two formulas also.